Hey everybody, this is Laurie from @GoPolished, and I'm here to show you how I created this multi-colored French tip design with a few confetti accents. All the polishes that I use for this design are from the new ORLY Euphoria collection for summer 2019. You can purchase these polishes at beyondpolish.com. This collection has a nice variety. It has some softer shades, it also has some nice bold shades, and then it has these two confetti shades, one being chameleon, and it changes from white to peach depending on the hot or cold. I used a few of those confettis for an accent on one of my nails, and let's get into the design. For my base color, I used On Your Wavelength, and I did 2 coats of that on each of my nails, and then for the multicolored tip, I used Rose All, Muy Caliente, and it's Brittney Beach. I have painted all the French tips on all my other nails, and I'm just going to use this one nail to show you how I did the design. I'm using my small detail brush. I'm going to start about halfway down, maybe even a little bit lower. I'm going to do a little curve up to the center, and then I'm going to meet that from the other side here in the center. And then I'm just going to thicken that line to where I want to get it, and it doesn't have to be perfect because the next color is a little darker and you can paint over it and smooth out those lines in the end. Once that layer has dried a little bit, I'm going to come in with Muy Caliente and do the same thing. And it's okay if you get a little bit of polish on your finger, you can come back with a brush and some acetone and clean up when you're all done. So again, I'm going to curve up to the center on both sides. You're going to come back in with your darker color now and fill that in completely. And you just want to make sure that you want to cap your top after you fill that in. And also make sure you're making a nice, really fine point down by the edge of that nail. And I'm going to come in with this confetti shade here. This is the one that changes colors from peach to white, and it's called Warm It Up. And I just want to use one little piece for the accent nail on my ring finger here, and I'm just going to put that down at the base. And it does have a little polish on there, so it's going to stick. And then I'm going to come in with What's the Teal and grab a little triangle confetti piece from that polish. And I'm just going to put it up above the other one with the point pointing up. And then that's the final look. You can also opt to do that confetti, just apply it as a topper on that, but I opted for a more simple design. And then once it's all dried, you can add your favorite top coat. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this collection or you found this tutorial helpful. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.